Alrighty guys, section 6.3 for Algebra 2. First thing is that when you're adding or subtracting polynomials, if you're subtracting, make sure you distribute the subtraction through the parenthesis. So that becomes minus 15x cubed minus 4x squared plus x minus 3. So you have 7x cubed minus 1. Now it's just a matter of collecting like terms. 7x cubed minus 15x cubed would be minus 8x cubed. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. So you're just going to bring these things along for the ride. There's nothing else to combine them with. And then the minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. So that would be your whole answer. Here when you're adding, there's nothing to distribute through, so you're just going to collect like terms. So there are no other x cubes. There's no other x squareds. Then I have 1x and 50x make 51x. Minus 3 plus 4 is plus 1. So there's your final answer. And you're finished. Okay. Multiplying polynomials, you're just going to distribute this in. So it'll be 3x squared minus 2x. Distribute that in. Minus 10x squared minus 25x. This, you guys can FOIL it. I know you guys know how to FOIL, so I'm not going to waste your time doing that one. I'm just saying I'm just growing them in size as we go. So you just FOIL it. All right? These ones, though, you guys have a choice. You either do the distributive property and distribute this thing through. So that's going to look like 6x cubed plus 9x squared minus 7x, and then minus 4x squared minus 6x plus 14. And I did this lining up like terms. So 6x cubed plus 5x squared minus 13x plus 14. That's one way you can do it. Another way that you can do it, and I'm partial to doing it this other way because I tend to make mistakes, so I'm going to go ahead and draw myself. Whoops, the box is misshaped. I'm not drawing it the right size. Apologize for that. Okay, I need to split it, and then split it in 3 pieces this way. Sorry, I'm doing this at a slant. I don't know why I'm always writing uphill. Minus 7, and then 3x and minus 2. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead and multiply each section of the box together. So 3x times 2x squared would be 6x cubed. 3x times 3x is 9x. 3x times minus 7 is minus 21x. And notice there it is right there. Oops. Did I screw this one up? It looks like I most certainly did. Okay. So minus 4x squared minus 6x plus 14. And then, assuming that you multiplied right, which for me is always a big assumption, plus 5x minus 27x plus 14. You should get the same answer, and the reason I didn't was this one right here should have been minus 21, so then there's the minus 27x, so they match. Okay? It's up to you which way you want to do it. I'm only drawing a box because I'm partial to drawing them. That's where my comfort zone is. If you guys are more comfortable just distributing these numbers through, then by all means, do it. And then you'd have to do it with the 1. I'm not going to require you to use one method over the other. So just to show you again, minus x plus 1, 3x squared minus 4x and 2, and then you just multiply the pieces together. So inside this box would be a minus 3x to the 4th. So that would be 4x cubed minus 2x squared. 3x squared minus 4x plus 2. And then if there are any like terms, you go ahead and you add them together. There's no other cubes, so that would be plus 4x cubed. 3x squared minus 2x squared is a plus 1x squared minus 4x plus 2. So that would be your final answer. If you've got 3 of them like this, FOIL 2 of them. So let's be 10x squared So plus 5x minus 6x is minus 1x plus, oops, I can't multiply, minus 3x. Okay, I'm going to spit it out. Minus 3. Now, that gets multiplied by 3x minus 2. I'm only drawing a box because that's where my comfort zone is. 10x squared minus 1x minus 3, 3x minus 2, so 30x cubed minus 3x squared minus 3x, oops, 3. I think my arithmetic would improve over the years. No. So minus 20x cubed. What was I thinking? I have no idea. I wasn't. Okay. Minus 20x squared. 2x and 6. So 30x cubed minus 23x squared minus 7x. Yeah, plus 6. Holy cow. It's my third video in a row, so I'm getting kind of punchy here. Okay? That's it. Good luck with that assignment.